Nurse practitioner. And what kind of treatments have you had?
Everything.
Like what?
Cortisone injections.
Yeah.
Lots of meds.
Meds.
An ablation.
An ablation.
2 ablations.
2 ablations. Now you're showing off.
All the alternative stuff like chiropractic massage.
Was there any Western recommendation beyond the ablation?
No. Well, a discectomy.
It's caused you not to be able to work?
Correct. It's impacted everything.
Well, now you're going to be able to work.
Thank you.
And you're an amazing person, by the way.
Thanks.
So I'm like thrilled because you're just a kid and yet you have all this education and insight.
Yeah.
And I think it's going to make a big difference.
Thank you so much.
So it's going to be good to have your life back.
That's all I want.
Really? How about chocolate? You want that? How about the beach? It's
Yes.
like 0 degrees here.
Yes.
How about monkey food? You don't know what it is, but
No.
if monkeys are going after it, it's got to be good.
That's right.
All right.
I feel so much better already.
Yeah? How bad was it?
So bad.
And they make you take the drugs? And it's been going on how many years? 4 years?
I'm just really grateful.
Pretty amazing, huh?
Yeah.
All right, just remember I blame you in a good way. All right? Okay. So you're off of the opiates, and you're 28, right?
Yeah.
Pain was how bad?
Oh my, debilitating. I think of the worst English word in the dictionary, and that's what it was.
Farfignugan would be the worst English word.
Terrible. It's terrible. Couldn't do anything.
Yeah.